I'm currently short dollar CAD. I'll walk you through what I have trading starting top down. Here on the daily chart, we have yesterday's candle here and day before yesterday's candle here. Day before yesterday's candle's range is swept. You see price action trade through day before yesterday's high and then trade back below and close inside the range of day before yesterday. This gives me a sell side draw on liquidity, or only looking for short positions here. And then I'll come down here to the 1 minute chart. To the 1 hour chart. Here at the 1 hour chart, we can see this price action here in yesterday's candle. Here, put in a dealing range here on the Fibonacci chart. Then you can see that price pulls back here into this area, which is equilibrium of the dealing range, the midpoint of the dealing range, and also a bearish fair value gap or a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. From that level, price consolidates, and then price here starts to trend here as you get these body candle closes here, creating a market structure shift here. And then you can see price again start to consolidate after that area here. With market structure here, starting here at this level, is bearish, so sell side here. Let's see here, currently, or just overall here in the dealing range, overall here, bearish here in the 1 hour, and same thing here actually. That's it. And same thing here, dealing range here, bearish. So sell side draw on liquidity, trending to the sell side or trending bearish, and the multiple time frame analysis is bearish. Also having a higher time frame PD array here, this SIBI or sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, or bearish FEG here. And then we get pullback here. So the level of pullback that I'm looking for in this position is here where my entry is, which is the low of this candle here on the 15 minute, which is at the, I believe it's, because I have some ads here that are going to be off, here at the 136.795 level. Price, I got a slightly better price as price came into the limit order there. Additionally, I added to the position, and I added to the position based on the price action in this area after my entry. There is a fair value gap right here, a bullish fair value gap or a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. That gap was invalidated or disrespected here and became an IFVG with this body candle close here. And this triggered me to add to the position, as it shows an increased probability of price delivering to the sell side here. And then I'll come over to my execution charting. Update my charting here. I don't see my arrows in, or I may have to put them in myself. Internet has been pretty slow the last couple days, so it's been difficult trying to keep my information situated. Still no. Alright, let's head over to trading history really quickly for today. So this is today's trading history. What do we got? 08, 50, and 9 here. Let's punch these in. Here. 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 Down. Okay, there. You see this? This is me making a mess, not really knowing what I'm doing with this trading system here yesterday, just getting stopped out on the way up. But I've managed to sort some things out in the overnight. Okay, so here we can see my entries here, and then I'll skip down. You can see where I'm looking to take my partials. It'll be easier here on the daily and on the hourly. So here on the daily chart, I have a profit target here, which is targeting the sell side liquidity here at the low of today's candle, and targeting sell side liquidity here with this next order here. What is today here? This is Wednesday, Tuesday, targeting Monday. So the liquidity resting below Monday's low. And then finally, there's liquidity resting below last Friday's low. I want to target that as well. And that's where this initial order here came in. This is also the low of last week. So looking to target this liquidity pool down here. And here on the 1 hour chart, you can see here, that's the low here. This is this liquidity pool here. And here's that second target here of the liquidity pool resting below Monday, right here. And then that weekly liquidity pool, you can see these relatively equal lows resting down here. Here. So you can see the first area of liquidity here with these relatively equal lows here. Next here, next liquidity area, and then final exit for this position here. So 3 take profit areas, and we'll see price can continue delivering here to the sell side to profit target here. I have some orders out for some other positions, but they have yet to reach any take profit levels, so still waiting for any potential entries into those, but for now just standing by for any potential take profits in dollar CAD here. And seeing some sell side delivery here. If the first profit target here down at this liquidity zone here below today's low, if I reach take profit there, I'll move the other positions to break even. And then if all goes well, those positions will continue to the remaining take profit zones. Ideally, after the first take profit is hit, I would want to see expansion through the remainder of the weekly range down to this liquidity pool area here, or these relatively equal lows here. This area here is equivalent to this area here. We see price continuing to deliver to the sell side here. Price consolidating here near the 136, 500, 520 level. Price just consolidating here. Price may want to retest this break of structure level here on the 5 minute before choosing a direction. There's also the potential this candle closes here for a fair value gap to form here, again for price to use to trade in, to potentially trade lower here. But whatever price is going to do, it may take some time to sort itself out. And I'm going to let it do that for now. But in the meantime, if you would like to know more, visit us at OneTiltTrading.com. Stay on tilt, never emotional.